recording. Fine. So see, where is that? So here, this particular blog, that means in public HTML file only, like in that folder only, your website files will be available. That means whenever the people go to online, when you search for their domain name, that means mohanviramala.com, it may be dmmacademy.in or any other website, then directly your website should come. That means if that website is coming, then you can analyze that files are available in public HTML. If you created a blog section as a directory here, and if you want to go to your website, then for sure you have to give the blog section, then only you can see the website files. So every time this directory should be empty, nothing should be given here, it should be empty every time. So I'll go back here. So domain we have seen, directory we have seen, and version, this is the WordPress version. Now as of now it is showing 5.7 and it is recommended. Why recommended? Sometimes we'll get updated version also, but WordPress is suggesting, like this hosting is suggesting me go with this 5.7 only. This is like tested version, this is okay, secure. So we'll be going with 5.7 only. You can see the older version also, but we'll not go with the older versions. Better to go with the latest version and which is recommended. That will be better. And if I scroll down here, I can see a administrative username and password. So which website I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, administrative username and password. Okay. So this is a username and password. And when I go down here, I can see the administrative email name. That means, see here, I can give the username. That means whenever I want to get login into the website, for example, here, see, already I have a website. Now, if I want to insert some data into this website, then I'll be having a URL, mohanviramala.com/WP is nothing but WordPress hyphen admin. Now this will be the URL. If I give this URL, then immediately it will ask a username and password. Okay, immediately this will ask a username and password. Now this username and password, when we are installing WordPress, then only we have given username and password. That only it is asking again. That means now I'm installing WordPress again. So for this, I have a username and password. And whenever I want to log in into my dashboard or log in into my website as a owner, then I have to give this username and password. This will be only for as a owner, only for the admin, not to everyone. Okay, you should not share this username and password to everyone. Okay, and here I have administrative email. That means the admin email has to be given here. That means whenever you click on the forget password or whenever you will have the contact form filled, then you will get an email to this particular email, whatever the email you are giving up here. Okay, and the bottom I have website title and a tagline, nothing but a logo part. That means, see, in the website, I'll go with the main website here. Yeah, so here in this place of image, you will be having the website title and tagline. Now here I have an image. Now when we are in the process of designing, I uploaded an image, but when you are installing for the first time, you'll have a website title and a tagline in the content format. Now if I select this, now this is an image format. Now this is not a content format. Here you can see this is a content. Now we can analyze what is content and what is image also. Okay, so here you'll be giving website title and website tagline, and this I can change after the next time, no problem. If I have a logo which is designed in image format, then I can upload that logo here. So after selecting this process, I'll click on the install. When I click on the install, then WordPress will be filled 100%. Now when WordPress will fill, then I can see the website, I can design the website, I can insert my properties, I can insert my services, everything, whatever things I want to show online to the people, then I can show happily. Up to here, any doubts? If you have any doubts up to here, you can ask me. Anyone? Any doubts? No doubts. Fine. Ishita, no doubts. What about others? Is Mamata? It may be Sarita. It may be Sarita or Srilata. Sarita. I think Sarita. It may be. Yeah. No doubts. Fine. What about Venu, Shankar, Rahul, Lokesh, Satish? It may be Santosh. It may be Prem, the new one. Okay. Hmm. Divyasri also. Okay. Okay. Clear. Okay. I'll stop here only for today. This is fine. I'll stop today. Tomorrow we'll do the continuation part. But before going, uh, do one thing. Whatever domains owner we have seen, go there, search for different domains and check which domains are available. Why? Because when you are going with a domain name, they will have lots of extensions. .com, .in, .org, .co.in, .net. Lots of extensions will be available. Go to the domain owner and simply search for a name. Analyze what all names you are getting. Maximum. See, if you are going with a brand name, that will not be available. Why? Because somebody will already be taken. So once the domain name is taken, it will not be available anywhere. Domain sonarlo domain koneskunte adi ekkadiki search chesina kanabadadu. Once the domain is taken from one service provider, then it is taken from every other service provider. Adi fix. Okay na. So tomorrow we'll again come at 2 o'clock, and 2 to maximum I'll go for 4. And in the end of the session every day I'll ask for doubts. If anybody has having any doubt, they can ask me here and they can clear for that day only. And tomorrow I'll not ask for doubts. I'll continue the classes. Okay, I'll continue where I have stopped in the previous day. So if you have any doubts, now only you should ask me. Tomorrow I'll not give any option to ask. Because we have very limited period, I have to complete the whole section of WordPress designing. We have very less time, so if you have any doubts in this session only, try to clear your doubts. So I hope no one is having some doubts, but learning this topic is very nice, but you have to implement this topic. You have to implement this topic. That means, you see, it may be very less amount for 1 year. Maximum it is 1400 to 1500. What maximum go for 2000. If you are investing 2000, then you can design your own website. You can design your own website. The complete digital marketing concept you can learn on this particular website only. Okay. If you want anything, you should have a source. మనకి వెబ్సైట్ అనే సోర్స్ లేకపోతే కంప్లీట్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ రాదు ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్. Got it? Clear? Yeah. So whoever designs the website after learning this course, whoever will design the website, for them I'll give a certification, that is for sure. Okay, fine. Let's meet tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Lokesh, you have any doubts? Prem, Santosh, and think more 4 new people are available. Do you have any doubts? Whatever we have discussed today. Is the Prem available? Fine. So see you tomorrow, guys, at 2 o'clock again. I'm winding up this session. Tomorrow at same time, 2 o'clock, with the same link, you have to come.